Today, we're trying something super exciting. We're using AI to create a viral song.
Come on, dance all night. Feel the love is right.
Just imagine technology and creativity coming together to make music that could blow up and be everywhere. Are you ready to see if an AI can make a hit song? Let's dive in and find out. Creating a song that hits all the right notes and goes viral is no small task. It's about finding that perfect mix of catchy lyrics, a memorable melody, and that special spark that makes people want to listen over and over again. For us humans, this can be tough enough. But what about an AI? Can it really understand what makes a song click with so many people? Can it capture emotions and create a tune that gets stuck in your head? That's the challenge we're up against today. So, how do we get started? First, let me tell you that we're not just creating a song. We are making a whole series out of this if we get enough likes. Stick around and watch step by step as I take you through the entire process, from brainstorming ideas to the final reveal. You won't want to miss the end result. Oh, and just to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So, this is Suno AI. If you want, you can basically create a song in 5 seconds. These are songs entirely created by AI. Listen to how catchy they are.
Heart's a drum, feeling the beat. Every moment's gold, they rise sweet. Live it up, dance like no one's watching now. Feel the rhythm, take your heart. Life is short, so make it spark.
With Suno, you can literally create any song in any genre and language. If we go to the Explore tab, you can listen to all kinds of variations.
Lavish trouble.
Une symphonie silencieuse. Nous sommes à l'inde en pleine nuit.
But how do we do it ourselves? Let me show you. You can create the prompt yourself or let ChatGPT do the work for you. It's up to you. I use ChatGPT for this because I'm lazy as f. Our goal today was to write a viral song. Let's go for something like a catchy pop song. We copy the prompt and put that in Suno AI. First, click on Create. Next, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the song description. You can also click on Custom to fill in your own lyrics, but we won't do that now. If you want, you can get just the instrumental part by clicking on Instrumental. But for now, we'll include lyrics since we're making a complete song. Click on Create. As you can see, I've received several versions, allowing me to choose the best one. It takes about 20 seconds for each clip to be ready. Now, let's listen to find out which one is the best.
Sun is setting, goes so bright. We're ready for a wild night. Feel the rhythm in your bones. Step by step, we find our tones. Laughter echoes in the air. We got love and time to spare. Heartbeat racing, can't slow down. Sprinkle joy all over town. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love, it's right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love is right. Move your feet, hold tight. Sprinkle joy all over town. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love, it's right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. Come on, dance all night. With me, love is in the summer air. Feel the rhythm everywhere. Dancing in the sunshine, laughing, feeling so fine. Life's a party, let's find joy in every moment.
Lights are bright, we hit the town, feel alright. Dancing shoes, ready to go. Feel the beat, let it flow. Heartbeats match with the sound. Lost in love, spinning round.
These are the examples I created with just 5 mouse clicks. Let me know in the comments which song you liked the most. In this video, I'm going to go with the first one. The first one has a more catchy vibe to it, which most likely will go viral the fastest. The next step is to make the song longer. As you can see, this song is only 1 minute and 32 seconds. To make it longer, click on the 3 dots next to the song and select Extend. Okay, part 2 of the song is ready. Let's listen.
Is rising, make a wish. Every moment's pure bliss. Groove together hand in hand. Life's a party, take a stand. Jump up high, reach the sky. Let the music lift you high.
I will not play the entire second part now. I will share the final result at the end of the video. What we need to do first is download the 2 files, stitch them together, and do some tuning. Alright, I won't bother you any further with this. Before I play the full song, I want to ask all of you to add the song to your favorite Spotify playlist, which I will share in the description. Before you listen to the end of the song, it's really amazing, by the way. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your favorite AI song in the comments. Okay, now let's listen to the end result.
Sun is setting, goes so bright. We're ready for a wild night. Feel the rhythm in your bones. Step by step we find our tones. Laughter echoes in the air. We got love and time to spare. Heartbeat racing, can't slow down. Sprinkle joy all over town. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love, it's right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love is right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. Moon is rising, make a wish. Every moment's pure bliss. Groove together hand in hand. Life's a party, take a stand. Jump up high, reach the sky. Let the music lift you high. In this moment we feel free. Together you and me. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love is right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. All night. Feel the love is right. It's right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. Come on, dance all night. Come on, dance all night. Moon is rising, make a wish. Every moment's pure bliss. Groove together hand in hand. Life's a party, take a stand. Jump up high, reach the sky. Let the music lift you high. In this moment we feel free. Together you and me. And together you and me. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love is right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright. Stars above, they guide our way. Turning night into today. Whispers of the ocean breeze bring us to our knees. Come on, guys, jump up high, reach the sky. Let the music lift you high. In this moment we feel free. Together you and me. Come on, dance all night. Feel the love, it's right. Move your feet, hold tight. Gonna shine so bright as the morning light appears. We'll hold on to these years. Every laugh and every cheer. Forever we'll hold dear. Come on, dance